Hello friends, today I'm going to review Veet face wax strips to do simple facial waxing at home. In this lockdown, I'm sure a lot of you are facing issues in stepping out of the house or calling somebody at home, and then there's always a risk involved in calling somebody home or going out and taking so many precautions. So we are going to review the Veet face wax strips, which are this right here, and I'll show you how to do my facial waxing and how to use this and what are the pros and cons of this face wax strips. So let's get into the video. I tied my hair right back so that it doesn't interfere while I'm doing the waxing. So let's open this packet. It comes in this side of a package and it has 8 pre-coated wax strips, which is written right over here, and this is how it looks. And each strip, when you peel it, it will be double-sided. So you'll get 4 of these, which means when you open it becomes 8, and along with that you get this sort of 2 finishing wipes which you can use after the waxing. It says over here, peel it, separate the 2 strips using the round tab. So you need to peel it like this from here. Apply it in the direction of the hair growth. So if your hair is falling straight down, you place the strip on the hair and apply it towards the direction of your hair growth. Pull it in one swift motion, and once you have applied it, you just need to rub it little bit towards the direction of your hair growth and pull it in opposite direction of your hair growth. After waxing, clean your skin with the perfect finish wipes. These are the only instructions which are mentioned, and some basic instructions that you should be out of reach. You should try a sample. You should try a small part of your skin, and do not use it where you have pimples, etc., etc. So these are the basic instructions which are mentioned over here, and it says it has almond oil and cornflower scent. I have used this before. It's not my first review impression, but just for you guys, I have got few requests to show how to use it, and so I'm going to use it with you right now. I'm just going to tear it up from here, from the perforated part, because I do not need so many strips for my upper lips. And this is how we do it. So I've separated. Now I am going to use this part over here like this and separate the strips, keeping one strip aside because I don't need to right away. Now I'm going to simply place a strip on the direction of my hair growth. So whenever you see your upper lips, the hair from middle, they separate, they go in opposite directions. Your hair will be on this direction on each side, so which means that if on your right side your hair would be going on your right side, on the left side your hair will be falling on your left side. So we need to place this on the direction of a hair growth, and I am just massaging it in the direction of my hair growth. And now I'll pull it apart. I'm sure you would not be able to see, I don't know how much you can see, but in one swipe it has removed a lot of hair. We'll do another swipe. Same thing I'll do in the opposite direction on my left side. Now when you come in the middle hair is falling downwards, or it will be just straight up depending on what sort of hair growth you have. Usually it is falling down, so I'll just push it down and pull it up. This is how my wax strips look right now. I don't know how much the camera is capturing and if you can see any hair growth. but in a closer look, yeah, all my hair on the upper lips are gone. I'm going to repeat the same process with my chin and my lower lip. Okay, so my upper lips, my lower lip and my chin area is all clean with just this one strip. And if you go to a salon, they charge 50 rupees for upper lips, another 20 or 30 for lower lip, chin, I don't know, 70, 80. I have not done my facial waxing from a salon for, I don't know, 5-6 years or maybe more. But from the time I've discovered these wax strips, not just this Veet I discovered only in this lockdown. Prior to this, I used to use hip hop face strips, which are also very nice. The only problem is that the wax of this one I liked more than the hip hop one. I've used hip hop for a very long period, and I did not have any complaints of hip hop until I discovered Veet waxing strips. Because with hip hop, what took 2 to 3 swipes to remove the hair, with Veet it took just one. Not that it did not do the work, it did its job, but then by the end of the waxing, I ended up peeling off my skin also sometimes, especially from my upper lip area, and which was after a few days it used to become very hard. And I do not have complaints, but I feel Veet is better than hip hop. I have been very loyal to hip hop, but I think now I switched to Veet and I do not want to go back. Anyway, so yeah, this is all in one strip, and now we'll do the rest of the face. Because of the midlife crisis, I am growing hair all over my face. So yes, let's finish off the face with the remaining strip. So yes, I'm done with my 2 sides of my cheeks, and this is how it is. So in in just 2 strips I'm done with my whole face waxing, and I've saved few hundreds maybe. Now post the waxing, we have this sort of finish wipes which has 2 of these wipes. I'm going to open it. This is how it is. This comes with some oil, which is really nice, and it just helps you to remove excess wax from your face. It says it is Gravion's flower oil and Atlantica bark oil. A hip hop one has argan oil, which is also good. I'm just going to wipe my face off with this oil. And these you can also save for next time, so which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this back in its cover so I can use it next time, because you get only 2 and wax strips are 8. This goes back into the cover, and the strips, they go right back into the box. And that's it. I'm going to leave my face with this oil and just massage this oil into my skin. And that's about it. I'm going to leave this for say 5-7 minutes, post which you can wash it off or layer it up with the makeup. That's it. That's so easy. Now going to the technicalities. This retails for 90 rupees. So if you are on a sale or something, you may get it for 75-85 rupees depending on what sale is going on. It has 8 wipes, which I told you earlier. It has it has 8 strips which are coated 2 sides, and it has 2 finishing wipes which are really good, infused with a lot of oils, and it helps you to just remove all the excess wax which you may not be able to remove with a wet cloth or with water or something. And in the price range that we get, I think it is the best out there. There are other companies like Hip Hop, as I mentioned, and I'm not sure some other local companies which may be making these with these wax strips. But I think once that I've shifted to Veet, I do not want to go back to any other wipes. Very happy with these strips, and it's just one swipe, and as I showed you, it has just 2. It took me just like 2 strips out of 8, and my waxing of my whole face is done. It says in 3 simple steps: peel, apply, pull, and actually it just took me 3 steps to peel, apply, pull. Just make sure that you do a sample test first on your wrist or on your back of your hand or something like that, in case you're allergic to the ingredients which it has, or maybe you're sensitive to waxing with which it is made, because this is a cold wax. So, and it is really helpful in these times, in this lockdown, when you want to try out everything at home and you want to step out only for bare necessities. I think Veet or any other place or any other waxing strips do come in as savior to people like us who have hair growth all over the body. And yeah, that's about it. If you like this video and if you think I've helped you, please like, share and subscribe. I see you next time. Thank you.